Hi guys, and welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be my first voiceover, but in this vlog I'm headed to San Francisco to have dinner with my family. We went to a Michelin starred restaurant called Statebird Provisions in San Francisco, and it was really good, and I'm going to show you some of the things that we had. That's duck liver, mousse, and cornbread. That was good. This was my favorite, the salmon.
Some broccoli salad, fish sauce vinaigrette. And there we go.
What is this?
I don't know. It just looks
Yes.
This is our short rib dumpling with nori, mushroom, and beef stew.
short rib what?
Dumpling with a little bit of nori wrap, beef stew, and beef stew.
Okay.
Do one there. Anybody else like one? I gotta go. Come on in.
Do you like the idea?
Trout.
Sardella, trout.
Trout.
Sard cucumber with feta. No.
The freshwater.
I don't know.
Okay, everyone's staring at it.
What is it? She said no way.
So overall, the food was really good. That was like a burrata, burrata with like toast. My favorite was the salmon with like salsa verde. It was really good. It had capers and it was lemony, and it was my favorite dish. And they come around and sell you basically these little dishes. You can see the little dishes of different foods, and we had the quail, which is California state bird, so it all kind of made sense. The restaurant overall was really good, and I do recommend you check it out if you're ever in San Francisco. Here, that's and this day I am also headed back to San Francisco doing a little get ready with me. I didn't know where I should put this footage. I thought it was fun and I wanted to put in a vlog, and then when I realized that this section of Statebird Provisions was so short, I figured I'd add it here. So this is me putting dry shampoo in my hair, singing to Bad Bunny. So hopefully I don't get copyrighted, but I'm putting my sunscreen on. We were going to the California Academy of Sciences in Golden Gate Park. It was for my niece's 9th birthday, so it was so much fun. I swear by the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. That's what I'm putting on, and then I blend with a brush and then also go in with a beauty blender. So I use both to make sure that it's really natural. Like, what am I doing with my hand? So yeah, that's how I apply my foundation. It's worked. I like the way it looks on me. I like a natural look. Okay, there's me blending with the beauty blender. I hope you enjoyed that little dance break. That's probably going to get me copyrighted, but you know, it is what it is. This isn't TikTok, even though this is a TikTok style voiceover get ready with me, but you know, this is what I go in. I go in with this contour stick that I got at Sephora. It's not my favorite, but I also am not going to buy a new one until I use it all. I think I'm going to try the Fenty one next. I mean, it does the job, but it's just, I think the color is off for me, so there's that. And then I wet a beauty blender with a setting spray. I used the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and I blended in with a blending brush. A blending brush, a beauty blender. Oh my god, this is gonna be the worst voiceover of all time, you guys. I apologize. Blend, blend, blend. I wish I could blend this fast in real life, to be quite honest. love my dance moves. And then I am spraying the setting spray all over my face because I'm going to go in with a setting spray and I'm going to tap it into where I don't want any creases and I don't want it to be very shiny. So I usually do like my T-zone. I let it like dry a little bit. I do my T-zone underneath my eyes. And yeah, that's what I like to do with my setting powder. I only use it in the places that I need. I'm lucky enough that my makeup doesn't really like move very often. This is me going in with my Anastasia brow powder. I'm lucky enough to only need to use this as well. So I feel like I'm pretty lucky in the skin and the eyebrow department. So I only go in with a powder, and sometimes I even do a, like, you know, the gel. But it just kind of depends on the day. I've been thinking about getting my eyebrows laminated, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should do it. So yeah, I use the Anastasia brow powder. My ride or die will probably use it forever. So this is me quickly doing my brows.
Quiero mi baby gravy, quiero tener mi primogénito, ey, y llevarse crédito.
That's me singing Titi Me Preguntó by Bad Bunny. It's like third favorite on the album, maybe. No, I don't think it's third. It's probably further down. That whole album is so good, you guys. I don't even know how to tell you. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's just so good. So good. That's me tapping in. Now I'm tapping in the Laura Mercier setting powder. And I just kind of tap it in until it goes away, so that way I don't crease under my eyes. I am now going in with the Laguna bronzer by NARS, also another ride or die product. I don't really use a lot of different products on my face. I will try out different blushes kind of and go back to the same one, and then I will try out different like contour products, but my ride or dies are my ride or dies. I do kind of switch bronzers every once in a great while depending on my mood, but I usually go in with Laguna every day. It also makes a really good eyeshadow. That's me using it as an eyeshadow. So this is me taking an Anastasia product to kind of carve out and conceal my eyebrows, or like where they're messy. Like I said, I'm contemplating getting them laminated. So currently they're a little bit disheveled and all over the place. So I'm kind of just trying to clean them up as best as I can while I'm deciding what I want to do to them and who I want to do them. And then I'm going in now with the Makeup by Mario little glitter eyeshadow all over kind of thing, and I'm really just tapping it into my lid, like right in my lid with my finger. I really like it because it's translucent but glittery, so you can put it over anything and like any color, and it's going to just enhance it and give it like that shimmer without being colorful. So I'm obsessed. more coffee because I don't function without coffee. This is me, you guys. I'm so proud of this wing this day. I have been practicing my wing for a while and I really like this liquid liner that I'm using. I hadn't ever found like a felt tip one. I was using the Anastasia like gel liner with a brush, but this one is so thin and I have hooded eyes, so it's really kind of hard for me to get a good wing, and this liner makes it so much easier, and I was so proud of this wing this day. This is my favorite blush of all time. This is Orgasm by NARS. It is my favorite. I love it. It looks good on everyone. If you've never used it, you should. It's just top tier, holy grail, forever and ever. Put it everywhere kind of blush. Some more setting spray for good measure, you know. So I think Neverita is like my #1 song on the album, I think. I don't know, because Otro Atardecer is really good too. I can just sit here and talk about Bad Bunny's album, Un Verano Sin Ti, like all day long. If you were to put me and all of my personality and who I am as a person into one album, it would be that. It's a little bit of everything, so I really, really enjoy it from top to bottom. And then I decided to put my hair in a low bun, a slicked back bun, because as you can see, my hair is dirty. So that's what I did. And that's me deciding if it was actually going to be a vibe with my outfit, and it was. So I did a slicked back bun. used a wave finishing cream because I was out of gel. That's me making sure it was going to do something to my hair. And then I am using my ex-boyfriend's wave brush that he left that I decided it was useful, so I kept it, and I use it to slick back everything when I do the slick hairstyle. Me brushing my teeth. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for making it this far.